So y is easy-ish. Where's the transversal? And where the parallel lines are the ones that are labeled as parallel lines, right? These ones. So where's the transversal that has to do with y?
The most left one.
Yeah, so these one right here, right? So these two angles are the ones that have to do with y, right? So what are they?
Or something supplementary.
They are supplementary because they're
On the same, they're collinear.
they're same side interior, yeah? Yeah. Same side interior and they're supplementary, all the things. So since they are supplementary, what kind of equation can we write for that?
5y plus 120 equals 180.
But wait, how do we know that? Because this is this angle and that angle, and they're facing each other. They're not linear pairs.
Because they're
Not
same
an
side.
adjacent angle.
No, they're not. You're right. They're not a linear pair. They're same side interior.
Right.
What are same side? Are you caught up on this chapter? Did you watch the first video or not yet?
Yeah, I watched the first video, so the same side interior means they're supplementary.
Mm-hmm. Any of the same side, which is why I personally prefer the term same side to consecutive. Consecutive is what the book uses, and it's accurate. Consecutive is correct vocabulary there, but I like same side because then you get the alliteration same side supplementary. Yeah. Okay. So supplementary means they add up to 180, right? So this is the equation we would write. So how are we going to solve this thing?
Subtract 120.
Subtract 120, and we end up with 5y equals 60. And then what would we do?
Divide by 5.
Divide by 5. And we end up with y equals 12. Now what about the x? Right? If we continue this parallel line out, it may be easier to see, right? Continue that one out there, and then we've already got this one coming out here. So we got our same parallel lines. This is the transversal. Now, what are 2x and the 108? They're alternate interior, and how are alternate interior related?
They're the same.
They're congruent, right? So we would write this equals that, right? So 2x equals 108. And then we divide 2 on both sides. And x equals 54.
On 26, would you do the same thing as problem track?
So 26, yeah, so we didn't technically finish this, right? This one, the reason it works is because of same side interior, right? This one works because of alternate interior. And the reason I am adding this and remembering this is because on 26, it's going to be, they're going to be supplementary ultimately. So this is the kind of equation we would write. We would write 2x plus 54 equals 180. But the justification, you'd have to get there since it's this, and it gives us this one and this one. I drew it wrong, but same justification. In order to get there, this is nothing. That's not same side interior, that's not corresponding, that's not vertical angles. You have to use two things to get there, right? We could either use the supplement theorem and go here, and then it would be corresponding after that. Or we could do vertical angles and do same side exterior. That would also get you there, right? Either way, it's going to be supplementary.
I think what I did was, I did vertical angles, so the 54 across, and then I did this supplementary.
Right, the same side interior. Yeah. Yeah. You did it on that one. Where'd your brain go on 28? Who knows?
It looked different
Right? Yeah, that's makes sense. Easy peasy. Okay, so what other questions from this lesson? 6. Number 6. Angle 7. So we're told that angle 4 is 101. We've got a couple parallel lines. We've got a transversal. And 4 is right here. And number 6 says Number 6 says it's looking for angle 5, which is right here. Okay. So how are those two related? What are they? Same side interior, which means supplementary. So the reason would be same side interior, right? And then we would do, it says that 4 is 101, so 101 plus angle 5 equals 180. And then how would we solve that? We'd subtract. Minus 101. So what's 180 minus 101? Easy peasy. What other questions from this lesson? I don't know, but the answer to the ultimate question of life, the universe, and everything is 42.
Of course.
Of course. Okay, let's do the next lesson, right? What numbers did we do on 3-3? 12 through 32 or 36? 32. You did some extras. Good job. You're more practiced. 12 is 6/7. 14 is 0. 16 is negative 4/5. 18 is 0. 20 is undefined. 22 is 3/4. 24 is negative 11/8. Excuse me.
What did you say 22 was?
22 is 3/4. 26 is a picture. I'll put it up on the screen if you'll give me half a second. 26 B is 8,500. 26C is 244,000. 28 is parallel. 30 is neither. 32 is perpendicular. And then 26A will be on the screen shortly. Or tallly, if you prefer. Don't want to be discriminatory. Hello, Machine. There you go. Uh-oh, challenge. We can catch up with, what was his name? Preston? That's not Preston. Preston, that's Tony. All right, Tony.
Oh, the other guy's worse.
Helen, why?
Helen, you're being so judgmental.
Yeah, Helen.
So rude. Poor Tony.
It's such a.
All right, there's 26A. Isn't it cute? Now, what questions do we have from this lesson? 46b.
26.
We could do 26b.
Oh, wait, I saw it.
Great. Okay. What else should we do?
20.
20. What's that groan you made?
Yeah. What's that about?
What's that about, bro?
I just wanna do 20, I mean 32.
I got
Make
negative.
your
What?
turn, Jacob. Come on.
20. Oh,
Maybe I got the right answer. I just forgot to write it.
20 says that G is negative 4, 3. And H, I think, is negative 4, 7.
Wait, where do you get the negative?
From reading?
Oh,
I don't know.
page, sorry.
Okay.
I was on a different page.
I mean, sometimes I do read the wrong thing, as evidence from a few minutes ago, but this time we're accurate. Okay, so we're supposed to determine the slope. How do we do that? Rise over run, difference of the y's over difference of the x's. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What goes here?
7,
Here?
3,
What about this one?
negative 4,
What's 7 minus 3?
4,
Ka-chink, ka-chink. What's negative 4 plus 4?
0.
0. Problematic, undefined.
Wow, I don't know what I did.
I don't either.
Will you 22?
We can do 22. Are you sure you didn't just make an arithmetic error?
I forgot to add the negative.
What?
I don't know what I did.
Okay. All right. 22. L is 8, negative 3, and M is negative 4, negative 12. And we're supposed to find the slope using that same formula. What's going to go right here? What's going to go right here? Here? What about this one?
Negative 4,
Ka-chink, 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 ka-chink. Negative 3 plus 12 is 9. 8 plus 4 is 12. Does this reduce? Yes. By 3. So we get 3/4.
I did the other way.
You put the y's on the, x's on top or something.
No, I did the negative 12 first.
That's fine.
I
Won't
did
make any
the
difference.
same answer.
Negative 12 minus negative 3 over negative 4 minus 8 is negative 9 over negative 12, which still reduces to 3/4.
Oh, I thought if you put it in parentheses, then it doesn't change it to a negative. I thought you just subtract.
Huh?
What are you talking about?
Because
Like this?
yeah, I thought that the 8 wouldn't be negative.
No, it is,
Oh, it
because
is?
you're minusing 8, yeah? Subtracting 8, because it's grammar. What else?
32.
Gotta say it loud. Exciting. Exciting. 32. What'd you get for your slopes? Did you just make an arithmetic error as well?
My slopes, I
Yeah.
got 1/4 and 5.
So probably an arithmetic error. Let's find out. The answer was perpendicular.
Well, yeah, but like the slope.
I don't know. We're about to find out. A is 8, 4B. There is one of these, maybe even like 3 of these, I don't remember, on the test. I know that for a fact. I remember them. So make sure you know how to do these problems. I mean, that should be true of like everything, but I'm telling you right now, there's definitely problems that look like this one on the test. At least one. I think there's 3. But I could be lying on the second part. And what I'm telling you too, guys, listen, Linda, listen. Listen. The reason why we have the in-person portion of this class is so if you're confused, you can ask questions. So if you're like, why did you do, don't leave that in here, let it come out here. It's gonna be okay. You're not dumb for asking questions, you're dumb if you don't. This is facts.
So I'm
Asking questions is not dumb. Not asking questions is a poor choice.
I have a question.
It's probably a dumb question, but go ahead.
Why am I dumb if I ask dumb questions?
Who said you were dumb if you asked dumb questions? Who said you asked dumb questions?
No, he said you're dumb if you don't ask questions.
That's what I meant. Why am I dumb if I don't ask questions?
Because how else are you going to learn if you don't ask questions? You literally have to ask questions to learn. You have to ask questions of someone. It doesn't have to be of me. It can be of Google. It can be of your past remembery self. It can be of your mommy. But you have to ask questions to learn. Period. There's no other way to learn. Literally, like that's just true. Because you don't want to be stupid. It's because you don't want to be dumb. Yeah, I mean this is like obvious. Like the two are like obvious together, right?
What if I want to be dumb?
Okay, well then good luck with that. Okay, what am I gonna put right here?
4.
Why do you insist on putting the first one first?
Because he's first.
Y2 minus Y1.
Yes, but it doesn't.
2, it doesn't. You are right. You are accurate. You're not wrong. And you can keep on doing it and you'll never be wrong as long as you're consistent. But I like to put the second one, so I'm gonna do that. Because you already are good. So why should we pander to you?
The levels of spite in this math problem.
Levels of spite in this math
It
problem.
makes me so happy.
You don't want to what? What'd you say?
Because I'm the one answering.
That's true, but Jacob did too. And if you were the only one who had said it at that time, I would have gone with you, just like I did last time. Jacob, I'm gonna punch you in the face. Not literally, because I love my family too much to go to jail for you.
I'll punch him. I'll go to jail.
What's 3 minus 4?
You would go to jail.
I would go to jail.
What is 4 minus 8?
-4.
-4, which reduces to 1/4. Ka-chink, ka-chink. -1 plus 9 is what? 8. 2 minus 4 is -2. This reduces to -4. Opposite reciprocals, therefore, perpendicular.
I feel like if a kid punches another kid, they'll
Wait,
go to jail.
is 28?
It depends, actually.
That's how much and how often I think
What?
someone
28
punches another kid.
perpendicular?
28 is parallel.
It can be like repeatedly.
Yeah, because they come out the same, right?
Thank you.
It depends how much, how hard and how often a child punches another child, depending on.
Well, and whether it was actually self-defense or not.
Yeah. But if you're like, I beat up other children, you know, every couple days just because it's fun, like, yeah, you should.
Probably go somewhere.
Yeah, probably.
What other questions from this lesson do we have? Well, we should take a quiz then.
A quiz on which lesson?
This one.
3, 2, or 3, 3?
This one.
Is this the second quiz?
I believe so. I have your other one graded. It's just in my house.
We don't have
Is there a reason you're not doing the work still?
No, I did do the work. I
Good.
was working on it.
Good job. Way to go.
Yeah.
So proud. Good job.
No, I'm working
no.
on it. I'm almost done. Like,
Awesome.
I did all of Unit 2, and I'm almost done with Unit 3, and I basically am finished. But
Awesome.
because you keep assigning me work.
Yeah, that's kind of how class goes. We keep having more stuff. Luckily, you got, days coming up.
Learning more things at the learning.
What?
I know.
What?
That's so
No
That's
way.
crazy.
All right, quiz
Get a class.
3-2.
I expected this. Certainly not me.
Okay, give her a break. Come
Oh
on.
no, I'm just being
That's
mean because
literally insane to have math as a class.
What?
So weird.
so crazy.
I know.
In the immortal words of Princess Bride, you keep using that word. Exactly. Exactly.
I quoted Princess Bride yesterday, and I don't remember what quote it was.
As you wish.
Your voice sounds kind of like I do this sometimes.
My voice sounds like a goat. What'd you say?
Yes, that's what I said.
Okay.
Wait,
I don't really know what that means,
That's a
but
weird thing to
thank
say
you.
out loud.